Okay, love, so I'm going to briefly tell you what I've changed in my home office since the last tour. Now, the last tour I used peach/coral in my office. It was for the winter. So starting off early spring, I have the aqua color in here, and there's a couple of shades of green in here, but it's all tied in together fairly well. So I'm going to start over here with the bookshelf. So the bookshelf itself came from Rooms to Go. The gold vases on top of the bookshelf came from Z Gallery. The boxes here actually came from Home Goods. This particular planter came from Ross. The eggs came from Home Goods. The white ceramic books came from Z Gallery. The gold ceramic book came from Home Goods. The bookends also came from Home Goods. The Chanel book was a DIY from a young lady on Instagram. I'll leave her link below. The tulips here came from Amazon. I'll leave the link below as well. These feathers actually came from, where did these come from? I think these came from eFavormart. I'll leave the link below to those. This vase from Home Goods. Hello sign from Home Goods. Victorian vases from Z Gallery. The other items at the bottom also came from Z Gallery. The bookshelf itself, I'll leave the link below. You can get your hands on the bookshelf from Wayfair. Also, let me let you know about these beautiful tie bags. These tie bags actually came from a young lady on Instagram. I'll leave her Instagram link below just in case someone is interested in purchasing these tie bags. They're super, super cute. I love them. The actual aqua looking, what are these called? I'm losing my train of thoughts, guys. This pampas grass here actually came from Pier 1 last year. These florals actually came from Home Goods about a month or so ago. And I have I think I have 3 sets in there. The vase came from Z Gallery. I actually ended up spray painting it. It at once was the mercury glass silver and I painted it gold. My credenza came from Wayfair. The wall art on the wall came from Home Goods. This particular, the gold and silver, gold and gray, came from Home Goods. My ginger jar came from Z Gallery. My candle holders here came from Home Goods, as well as the candles. The little bunnies also came from Home Goods. Moving on around, the gold wall art came from Macy's. The pampas grass here came from Michael's. These came from eFavormart. I'll leave the link below to whatever I can find the link to. The green or aqua looking rabbit came from Tuesday Morning. My stirrers came from Z Gallery, as well as the decanter. And this candle holder here came from eFavormart. The candle from lights.com. The glasses on the bottom came from Home Goods. The decanter came from Home Goods. Actually, everything down there came from Home Goods. The eggs even came from Home Goods. Moving on this end, this candle holder here is super cute. It came from Home Goods. You can see the little bunnies under there just a tad bit better. They're super cute. And the candle from lights.com. Here are some more books from the young lady on Instagram. My white and gold boxes came from Z Gallery, tray from Home Goods. My console table itself also came from Home Goods, as well as the lamp. And then I have some more of these beautiful, let me make them lighter for you. These beautiful tie backs came from a young lady on Instagram. And again, here are some more tulips from Amazon. This egg came from Pier 1 last year, as well as the super cute gold bunny came from Pier 1 last year. The suitcase came from Ross. The stand it's sitting on came from Target. The wall art here came from came from Kirkland's. So my lighting is off a tad bit in here, so I'm trying to get it perfect, but it's really not working for me. So my mirror came from Home Goods. I love it because it has the gray and gold, just like my picture over here, the gray and gold. So I'm able to use gray and gold and silver in here if I wanted to, because those pictures, the picture in the mirror is setting the flow for that. Now moving on down, I have my Cricut machine here that Cricut gifted to me. I am a Cricut brand ambassador. And then I have my supplies in my cart. The cart actually came from Michael's. I'll try to place a link to this cart just in case you have a Cricut machine and you want to order you a beautiful cart. I'll give a tour of this cart, like what do I have in it. Once I get all my labeling and stuff like that done, I'll do a video labeling and organizing my my crafting cart. So I hope that everyone enjoyed this video and you are inspired by the colors that I have going on here. And you hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.